Hey guys, today's video, let's learn how we can fix X suspended account or locked account. So first of all, you're going to have to open a browser, and in here, simply type in X account suspended. As you do that, you will see X Help Center that says appeal a locked or suspended account. Tap onto that link. As you do that, it will direct you under appeal a locked or suspended account, log into your account. So go ahead, log into your account via this link. Enter your credentials like your username, or you can also continue with Google account. So likewise, type in your email address, select next, and enter your password. And once you're logged into your account, if your account was really suspended or locked, it will show you a page like this. Here it says, yes, reactivate. Go ahead, click onto that button, and then you're good to go. Thank you for watching.